Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. So we have not done a vlog in forever, in probably a couple of months maybe, but I'm off today and I decided that I would take y'all along on my what I do in a day video. But it's going to be a little bit different because we are going to go Christmas shopping because, you know, it is November already and we need to hustle and get some of these Christmas gifts bought because I want to be done by December at least. So we are going to go do that. We're going to go to Walmart. We're going to probably do some Ibotta deals because I want to rack up some monies for Black Friday because I have about $73, $78 left. So if you want to join my Ibotta team, go ahead and the link will be down in the description box. And you can join my team and we can earn money. It's super easy. You have to have at least $10 to transfer your money, but I absolutely love it and you get great deals. So we're going to go do that. I do need to go to Barnes & Noble because I usually do my homework there on my off days. So we're going to go to Barnes & Noble, do some homework, probably just one chapter because I only have 2 more chapters. Then I have a test and then I have a final. So we're going to do that. And then I think that's it. So if y'all want to hang out with me, just keep on watching and we will see you guys later. Alright you guys, so we are in Walmart and the first Ibotta deal that we are going to do actually expires whenever y'all see this. It is already expired, but it will probably be coming back. But the Betty Crocker chocolate chip or any kind of a cookie product is $1.84 and you get 75 cents back in Ibotta, making it only $1.09. So that is a really good deal. So I'm going to pick this up and it's a limit of 5, you guys, of 5. Alright guys, so the next deal is also from Ibotta. It is on this Swivatel. It's $1.73 and there is a 50 cents back Ibotta rebate, only making it $1.23. So make sure you go and check that out. Alright, so the next deal on the Ibotta is this Aqua Fresh toothpaste. It is the 5.6 ounces. It's $1.67. And on Ibotta, you get $1 back in cash, so it's only making it 67 cents. And this is the cheapest box to get because there is $1.67, $4.69, $3.17, $2.77. But this is the cheapest one, so you can get the bang out of your buck, or the buck out of your, whatever is the saying is, you guys. But so grab one of these. I think it's only a limit of 1, so grab this for $1.67. Redeem it for $1 back and only pay 67 cents in the end. So I actually looked at the Ibotta app and you actually can redeem this twice. So I am going to pick up 2 because Jared uses this. I don't use it. I use the Arm & Hammer. So we are going to pick this up. You guys, is it too early to buy Christmas stuff? Because I have a Christmas village and I want to buy some more stuff for... Oh my god, look at that. It's so cute. What does this one do? Oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to have to show y'all my Christmas village because I just bought 2 things from the antique shop and I thought it was really cute. But look at all this, guys. I'm so excited for Christmas. It's one of my favorite holidays. Alright you guys, so the last thing that we're going to get is on these Dixie Everyday Plates. On Ibotta, you get $1 back in rebate, and they're originally $2.33, so you're only paying $1.33, and you can actually redeem it 5 times if you want. So since Jared and I are hosting Thanksgiving this year, we are going to be picking up. I think I'm going to go ahead and just pick up 1 because it's 48 count, but I'm only paying $1.33 after the rebate. Alright you guys, so we are back in the car from Walmart. As you can see, it was $10, a little over $10 for my total. But you didn't see that I actually have a discount card because Jared works at Walmart. So I have a discount card, so I only paid like $8.32, but that is before Ibotta's. Now we're going to go home and I'm going to show you a recap of what I got and then tell you how much money I'm going to get back from Ibotta. And it's about $9.54, so we're probably going to go eat lunch because I'm hungry, and then I will go to Barnes Barnes & Noble and Steady if they're open at 10. I can't remember if they're open at 10 or 11, but we shall see. Alright, so we are actually back, and I just wanted to do a recap of what I got. So we got the dryer sheets, and they had a 75 cents back on Ibotta. Or maybe that was 50 cents. Probably 50 cents, I think. And then the cookies were 75 cents back on Ibotta, making only $1.09. Then we got the Dixie plates was $2.33, and there's $1 back, so making only $1. And then we had 2 of the Aqua Fresh, which was $1.64, and there was $1 Ibotta back, and the limit was 2, so I picked up 2, so only paying 64 cents and getting $1 back. So we got $1, $2, $3, $3.75, $4.25. So we are getting $4.25 back, and I think that's really good because I only paid like $8.32. So that's technically half, 50% off. So really good price. I'm going to go ahead and put this up. I'm not sure what I'm going to have for lunch yet, but I will sure show y'all. So this is what we're going to have for lunch. I have some strawberries, the leftover stuffed jalapeno peppers with bacon wrapped, and then some Fresh Market chicken salad, which is really good. So this is what we're going to have, some leftovers, and it's very simple, easy, and it's free, so I don't have to go out and buy anything. But yep, so I'm going to eat this and watch some YouTube and probably get my stuff ready and go to Barnes & Noble. You guys, I'm sorry. Wait, hold on. This card's parked crooked as heck. Almost touching my car. What the crap? Anyways, I just got done at Barnes & Noble. I'm sorry I didn't video it. I was just focused on finishing my homework and everything. So that's that. And then now we're going to go to Kirkland's because their lanterns are 50% off. And I can use those for weddings. So we're going to go check that out. And I will bring y'all with me. I really like these white ones. They're really pretty that I can use for the wedding. They're $10 after the 50% off. And then the fall stuff is 75% off. And I kind of like this little J. It is $3.99, so 75% off that. I think I might get that. But they have some cute stuff, so go and check your Kirkland's out. Alright, you guys, so I found this lantern right here. There's only 3 in stock, so I'm going to look online or go to my nearest Kirkland's. But this is $6.99, so 50% off. It will be like $3.50. Really like it. It can be a centerpiece for the wedding and stuff. And I was going to stack some books up to that, so I think that would be really pretty. So let me know your thoughts. Alright, so Mom wants me to go to Old Navy to see if there's some flip-flops since it's already fall. If there is any flip-flops, let me click off. There you go. Any flip-flops that are like discounted or whatever because it's fall and it's cold already. So I'm going to go check that out. And that is about it. So let's go and look and find what we can see, I guess. Alright, so I just got home and we went to, last clip you saw was in Old Navy, and I did not find anything, so didn't find flip-flops for Mom, so I didn't get those. Then we went to World Market just to look around, didn't see anything, so I went straight back home. So at Kirkland's I did get those 3 lanterns, and they were like $3.97. And that's with taxes. And then I got the little tiny pumpkin that had a J on it. That was like 97 cents. So I got that. Now I'm home. And I don't have anything else to do. So I'm probably going to go and take a shower and relax, and then I will probably film some of me cooking one of the Pioneer Woman recipes tonight. So it should be really good. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Alright you guys, so it's a little bit later. It is about, what time? 4:20 right now. And Jared just got off, so he's on his way home, and I'm going to actually start dinner. We try to eat early as possible, before 7 for sure. So tonight we are going to be having a new recipe, and it's off of the Pioneer Woman recipe, and it's on page 181, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, so 181, and then there's a lot of elements. So the recipe is called creamy lemon pasta with pancetta and peas. So it sounds really good, very comforting, and it makes a lot. So, well, it's 6 servings, so that can be like 2 leftovers, so two lunches, 2 dinners, or whatever. So that is what we're going to have, and I'm going to flip y'all around and just show y'all the ingredients. I won't show y'all how to like make it or anything, because I don't want to get copyrighted, because it is her new cookbook and it's Pioneer Woman. So don't want to get copyrighted, but I will show you the ingredients, and that's about it. So let me turn y'all around. Alright, so we have some Romano cheese, and then we have Italian style cheese. I pulled out the bacon just in case we want some bacon, some more bacon instead of just the pancetta. Got some lemons, onions. I got 1 whole stick, and then 3 tablespoons of butter, heavy whipping cream, the pancetta. I have thyme, breadcrumbs. I thought I had regular breadcrumbs, but I only have Italian, but it's fine. And I had this kind of pasta, which it asked for it, so I've never cooked this kind of pasta before, but let me know if y'all have. And then just some salt and pepper. So that is the recipe, and let me just show y'all. So it's the creamy lemon pasta with pancetta and peas, and it's 181, and the peas are in the freezer because they said that it needs to be frozen and not thawed. Alright, so I'm going to have dinner ready, and then I will show you the end results. Alright, you guys, so this is the results of the creamy lemon pasta with pancetta and peas. That is from the Pioneer Woman on page 181. It smells really good. Jared, what do you think?
Pretty good.
He likes it, so thumbs up. This is like the ultimate comfort food, I believe, because it's cheesy and it's pasta and it's just perfect. So we will eat this up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Alright you guys, so that is it for the vlog today. I know I just ended with the clip and I said I was going to see you tomorrow, but yeah, so the dinner was really good. It was a little bit more citrus than I would like, but I would definitely cook it again and maybe just add maybe 1 lemon instead of 2 lemons. So A+, I highly recommend it. So go and get yourself a cookbook. I'm pretty sure it's online somewhere, probably on the Food Network or on her website, so make sure you go and check that out. But yeah, we had a fun day going shopping and doing Ibotta deals and everything. So thanks for following along with me, and if you like these videos, let me know down below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.